You will see a lot of tab open on my window, but here's the thing, a new model is about to come, that is Kling 3.0. It is in early access right now, and it is possibly expected by Wednesday or Thursday that this will be released. So this is a quick video on what to expect on Kling 3.0. If you are into AI video generation industry, you might have already heard of Kling 2.6, Kling Motion Control, Kling O1. These are some of the best models available in the market when it comes to video generations, but those models were having some limitations like duration, quality, and some of the aspects that it was covering. But with Kling 3.0, we are expecting those things to be better. And in this video, we are going to cover what are the possible things which we can expect in Kling 3.0. So as you can see on my screen, this is the post of Kling AI on X. This is 3.0 model is coming soon, and as I said, it is in early access right now, and it's gonna be released really soon, so we can expect something really awesome. AI video generation industry is really booming, and each and every day a new model is coming up. So Kling 3.0 is definitely going to add a lot of stuff into this. So I did a bit research on what are the things that we can expect, and I found out some of the blogs which are available on the internet. I'm gonna share those things with you. So this is one of the posts from Higgsfield. They are also launching Kling 3.0 onto their platforms. This is one of the platform where you can access Kling 3.0 and any video model that you want to access. Let's move on to the things that we can expect in Kling 3.0. So if I see here, this is one of the blog that is written by the team of Higgsfield. I was searching on the internet and I found most of the information, and what we can expect is enhanced audio generation, multi-shot narratives, directional physics, native 4K cinematic workflow. Now, if you are onto Higgsfield, if you have used it, you might be aware that Kling is offering up to 10 seconds of video. So if I see the limitations in here, this is Kling, and we can see like 1080p is the max resolution we can get, 5 to 10 seconds of video. Audio is involved into this. So this is for Kling 2.6. If we talk about Kling O1 video, it's already like 1080p and 10-second max, and O1 edit is also 3 to 10 seconds and 1080p max quality. Motion control also 3 to 30 seconds and 1080p is the max we are having right now. So all these models were there, but they are still limiting. Like if we talk about the quality, none of them offers 4K quality. If we talk about the duration, only the motion control is having 30 seconds of duration, but other than that, they are not having much duration in it as of now. So what we can expect in here is that all these models which are having in there, we will be expecting 4K resolutions into it. So really high quality videos we can expect in here. Then subject consistency, here we can expect that part, because models are really accurate as of now, but what we might feel is like sometimes it glitches and sometimes it just messes up with the subject consistency. So we can expect those improvement into this. And by the way, if you have seen in the market, Kling video models are cheaper than any other platform which are available in there. So if I talk about Veo 3.1, they offer really high quality video outputs, but their cost of generation is way higher than when it comes to Kling models. So Kling model really does outperform when it comes to the costing of the generation. It provides quality as well as cheaper options. So Kling is more preferred when it comes to daily video generations, and it's better overall. And the cost effectiveness is really important, because if you go into Veo 3.1, you are going to get run out of credits, because no, that's like a lot of generation cost in that. So if you see, this is what we have on the expectation side. As I said, we can expect native 4K high resolutions, and for the frame rate we can expect up to like 60 fps, which we are not having right now. Then we have regional inpainting, which is also expected. Now this is AI video editing part. You might have heard of AI image editing, where you select some area and you want to change that particular area using the prompt. But the same goes for video editing as well. If you want to change certain part of the video, what happens now is you need to regenerate it entirely, and in the regeneration you might lose some details, it might add some extra details in there, or you will end up wasting your credits on the regenerations part. So if you are having any editing tool which is prompt based editing, this is where we can maximize this output, that we are having all the scenes which are generated and we want to edit on top of that scene, so we are not playing with the inconsistency that any AI generation brought into the picture. So with in painting prompt based editing, we are eliminating the cost which we will be setting up when it comes to entire new generations in that. Now, physics are already good in that, but having realistic physics gives the vibe that this is actually real, and that's what we can expect in there. Improved physics, longer AI video generations, which is like up to 30 to 60 seconds of video. Again, this is just a release expectations. It is not final yet, but these are some of the guesses that we are having on the internet that this might be the possible outputs, and this might be the possible releases in this Kling 3.0. With this, I also went through different sources in here. So for example, this is Y Combinator's official news in here, and as we can see, Kling video 3 is released, and this is what they're having in their expected duration, up to 15 seconds. This source says it is 15 seconds, but on the Higgsfield they are saying up to 60 seconds. So it is still a rumor, but we will be seeing what comes up in the next few days. So we'll be having unified multimodal approach, then two variants. One is video 3, which is upgraded version of 2.6. Then there is video 3 omni, which is upgraded version of O1. Enhanced capabilities for sure, enhanced physics, enhanced character consistency in there. We might expect less glitches and less artifacts in the video generations part. So definitely one of the best release we might be experiencing if that happens. So I also went through the blog of Kling official release note, and this is what they are having in here. Kling 3 video upgrade, as we see like multi shots in there, then duration change. So we can also expect precise lettering in the video itself, so less artifacts as we discussed. And if I summarize this, this is what we are expecting: native 4K 60 fps workflow, regional painting means editing in the video itself for the specific part. Then we have physical interaction overhaul, and Sora 2 killer, they say, but not sure what quality it brings. If it brings better quality, definitely it's gonna be the best model up to date right now available in the market. So really excited for this one. So that's it for this one. This was a pre-release discussion on Kling 3.1. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. I'll attach all the resources that I mentioned in this video in the description. You can check it out, and let's see what Kling 3.0 brings into action in the AI industry. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.